In this course, I'm going to explain to you what is search engine optimization, why search engine optimization is important, the 4 ultimate SEO goals, types of SEO, nature of SEO strategies. In the second section, I'm going to explain to you how the search engine works. We're going to be discussing about crawling, indexing, then listing and ranking. Also, I'll be sharing with you search engine result pages. What are the components you find on a search engine result page? What are search engine result pages? Also, I'll be spending quality time explaining keywords. What are keywords? Why are keywords important? Reasons why we need to do a keyword research. Tools you need for a keyword research. What to consider when researching keywords. Relevant keyword research skills. I will also be explaining how to make search engine work for you. This is where we're going to talk about the tricks and the hacks. And I'm going to take you through 10 tricks and hacks that I've been using over the years to help a lot of companies, a lot of brands across the globe increase awareness, enhance engagement, and increase sales. I'll be talking about quality content. I'll be talking about titles and descriptions. I'll be talking about metadata, backlinks, and social shares. I'll be talking about mobile optimization, Google My Business and Maps, local business listing, web architecture and sitemap, HTTPS, and link building. To cap it all, after explaining the SEO tricks and hacks to you, the 10 SEO tricks and hacks to you, I'm going to be sharing with you some key performance indicators you should look out for, how to measure performance, how to ensure that the SEO strategies, the tricks and the hacks that you are implementing are actually working. Let's get started.